Few easy lines about my hobby. Short essay in English. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. My hobby. Different people have different hobbies. A person should have a hobby according to his or her taste. My hobby is gardening. It is because I am very fond of plants. I love them as a man loves his near and dear ones. I buy seeds and saplings from the nursery and grow them in my kitchen garden. As they grow up and spread their leaves in the air, my joy knows no bounds. I water them regularly and apply manure, insecticide and pesticides to them at the right time. I grow not only vegetables and fruit plants but also flower plants in my kitchen garden. I am very fond of roses and I grow all kinds of rose plants there. I have a few fruit plants in my kitchen garden. There are 2 guava trees, 2 papaya plants and 1 mango tree. Sometimes birds visit these plants and sing sweet songs while sitting on their branches. Then I feel very happy. I grow various kinds of vegetables in my kitchen garden according to the season, such as pumpkins, brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, onions, garlic, cauliflower, cabbage and spinach. When these vegetables are cooked and placed on the dining table, everybody at home praises me. It is because these vegetables are very tasty. Thanks a billion for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.